Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to put text behind you or any other objects in CapCut. Let's begin. We have a video like this. There's a woman taking pictures. Okay, let's copy this and create a clone. We will use the video above, so select it. Just click on Remove BG and use Auto Removal. This will remove the background automatically. If you are using green screen, you can use Chroma key. This video will help you about it. I will slide this one so that you can see that there is no background anymore. There is only the woman. So we will put text between woman and the background. Got it? Let's add text here and edit it. I'll make it Mr. Tutorial. I will pick a font and effect quickly. It looks good. You can use any other objects like an image or a video. Don't forget to check out my other CapCut tutorials. If you like the video, you can leave a like and subscribe to Mr. Tutorial. See you next time.